all the years that I've sewed, I learned more with her because you know what? She's relaxed. Okay, we're going to sew that. But do you see how those tabs? Okay, I got strings there. And I learned this technique and I think it's fantastic. I really do. I've seen bags that are made without the tabs and I don't like them at all. Okay. And like I said, I'm kind of basing my videos for beginners. Later on, if somebody wants, you know, more technical ones, that I think I love to sew so much. And I know people have said to me, oh, you know, I get frustrated. I don't think I can do it. Anybody could do it. And once you start putting out a product that you're proud of, you get addicted. You will not quit sewing. You gotta work, and sometimes it's hard to work the zipper past. There we go. But you can do it. And you know what? These makeup bags, or anything bags, and I call them anything bags because you don't have to just put makeup in. And look at the tabs. See, now the tabs match the lining. And then, now this will be stitched down, but after I put the lining in. Okay, let's go over here. Here's the lining, right side, right side. Okay, you take your lining and I'm not being real careful about my threads because I try not, you know, to make this too long. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Now, be careful to line that up. And you must pin this. This is a must. Okay, that is being stubborn. Okay. Then we will sew that. And then after it's stitched, it's going to go across like that. See, that's how you put your lining in. Okay, let's sew that. Now sometimes I'm not going to do it today, but sometimes I will change the thread to match the lining, but I've top stitched the bag itself with the white, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the white. Remember, just back stitch, and then after I do both of the linings, we press that. be really careful. Once in a while you'll catch that fabric. I thought for a minute I had done that. Okay. Now. Okay, come on. I'll zip it up and show you. And then we'll do the other side and then we'll press. And then I'll show you how I top stitch that. And sometimes you have to trim after you do that, and that's fine. That's no problem. Okay, now this is we are going to do the other side. Okay, now we're going to sew this one. I usually do it at about 1/4 of an inch. Let's see if I can get that foot. There we go. And I can push it back better. There we go. Sometimes you have to work that a little bit. It's hard to get that zipper past that. But you can do it. Now we're going to take it over to the pressing board. We're going to press that. And, okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay. As you see, that's the lining, that is the outside. Now, you want to get your linings and the top pressed out and then pin. This is really important because when you top stitch, I've had to rip before because I didn't get it pressed down enough. And there's not a seamstress alive that doesn't have a have to rip out stitches, a seam ripper. So, then I press one side, turn the other, press the other side. And you can see I'm going to be trimming a little bit. Is some fabric stretch. Okay. Now, pin it down. Then we're going to go to the other side and press this. Once you get this part done, the other part will go really fast.